The level has insane CPS.
Isn't Angelicide the level that Denny's verifying right now? Or am I...
It's the very pink, very what the fuck is going on in this thing level.
Oh, okay, so I mixed it up.
The one that Misty really likes.
Wait, since like there's gonna be like a new TCD in like 3 hours, do you guys think we should do a watch party?
Oh yes, CCD watch party.
TCD watch party. New TCD upload today. Today. Let's go. TCD today.
I came out to my dad's on Monday today, and he's like, I can't get out of my room. He's like going in his way. He's letting the imaginary other 10 people out, I guess. I get that he's trying to be supportive, but like at what cost?
My palms are so sweaty. It's not even funny. I hate that.
Mom's are sweaty, mom's spaghetti.
I hate that you can barely see those souls, bro. In the blue part.
Who even thought that PC president is like a good idea? Oh my god.
Okay, duel attempt. Holy shit.
Ooh, cool thing.
Super go.
Super go! Yeah!
Bang! Let's go!
Oh, big W!
Wait, you beat it?
Yeah, I beat
GG.
it. Let's go.
GG.
Bang! Bang!
Bang, bro!
Bang!
Bang!
My name Denia.
My name Denia.
Denia!
Yeah.
My name
My name
Denia.
Denia.
My name Denia.
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 My name Denia.
My name Denia.
Can we just do it about with our names?
Okay, that feels good.
I'm gonna lose my mind if that fucking becomes a vocal stim. Like, actually, though.
Attempt count 4,189.
Okay, that's not too bad, I think.
Yeah, I mean for a 7-minute level, that's not too bad. I suppose, at least, I don't know. But now all that's left from my jump levels is delicious dogs. This is gonna be fucking interesting. Oh boy, oh boy.